Hey, my lovely people. Welcome back to SoulSync. It's your girl, Dovey, and today we're diving into something so many of us secretly go through. How do you stay best friends with a guy you like without making things awkward or messing with your friendship? I know, it's a tricky situation. You're balancing feelings, but don't want to ruin that awesome friendship you've got going. Well, don't worry. I've got 8 super practical tips to help you keep things chill, protect your heart, and have the best friendship you deserve. Ready? Let's get into it. 1. Don't rush the romance. Okay, I get it. When you like a guy, especially a good friend, it's so tempting to want more. You picture the late night conversations, the cute moments, all the butterflies. But here's the thing. If you rush it, you might just ruin what's already beautiful. Think of it like this. Friendship is the foundation. Trying to build something romantic too soon is like rushing to build a house on a shaky foundation. Instead, let things develop naturally. Focus on being your best self around him. Laugh, support, and just enjoy the friendship without pushing for anything more. The less pressure you put on it, the more love can naturally grow. Trust me, it's worth the wait. 2. Be cool with his female friends. Now, this one can be tough. Watching him talk to other girls can feel like a punch to the gut, right? But listen, if you want to be the best friend he turns to, you can't let jealousy take over. When you're confident, chill, and show you're not bothered, it's actually super attractive. Guys notice that. So instead of worrying about who he's talking to, focus on being the best version of yourself. Show him that you're someone who brings peace into his life, not drama. And trust me, emotional maturity, that's a huge turn on. 3. Create shared fun and inside jokes. Want to strengthen your bond without making things awkward? Build memories together. Create inside jokes, quirky traditions, stuff that's just yours. When you start sharing things like funny memes, inside jokes, or binge watching your favorite show together, you create a connection that's unique to the two of you. It's low pressure, but it also builds intimacy. And if he starts catching feelings, it won't be about what you wear or how you look. It'll be about how you made him laugh or feel special in a way no one else does. That's how friendships with potential turn into something real. 4. Stop overthinking every little thing. Okay, girl, can we just talk about overthinking for a sec? I know it's hard, but you really don't need to decode every little text, emoji, or pause in the conversation. Trust me, it'll drive you nuts. Instead of analyzing every detail, just enjoy the moment. If he texts, respond with a smile. If he doesn't, don't stress. The key is to not obsess over every little thing. When you stop doing that, you'll feel more confident and he'll be more relaxed too. Remember, it's not your job to read into every action. Just let things happen naturally. 5. Protect your heart with boundaries. Okay, this is a big one, so listen up. If you really like him, your heart might be saying, give him everything, and maybe he'll fall for me too. But girl, hold up. Don't give away all of yourself. You can still be kind, supportive, and fun, but you need boundaries. Don't be available 24/7. Don't overgive, and don't treat him like your boyfriend if he's not treating you like his girlfriend. Respect yourself, and he will too. Set your boundaries, protect your heart, and make sure you're not the only one putting in all the effort. Relationships, even friendships, need balance. 6. Be a little mysterious. 7. This one is about playing it cool. You don't have to spill your whole life story or share every detail about yourself. Keep some mystery. When you leave a little to the imagination, he'll stay intrigued by you. Drop hints, tease him, and keep some stories for later. Playful mystery makes you more interesting and leaves him wanting to know more. It's a subtle way to keep him thinking about you, even when you're not around. 7. Be his safe space. Now this is where things can get deep. If you want to stay close with him, be his safe space. Let him open up to you without judgment. Be the girl he can talk to when he's feeling stressed, sad, or just needs someone to listen. When you listen and support him without trying to fix everything, you become someone irreplaceable in his life. Emotional safety is powerful. It's what makes someone fall for you, not just for your looks, but for the person you are. 8. Focus on your glow up. Lastly, don't forget about you. Keep shining. Keep focusing on your own growth, your dreams, your style, and your passions. When you're focused on living your best life and chasing your goals, you become more magnetic, not just to him, but to everyone around you. Whether he starts catching feelings or not, you're already winning because you're staying true to who you are. And trust me, that's the most attractive thing ever. And there you have it. 8 real, practical tips on how to stay best friends with a boy you like without losing yourself in the process. Remember, you deserve love and respect, and the best way to attract that is by staying true to your amazing, glowing self. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to SoulSync. Tell me in the comments, have you ever been in love with your best guy friend? What happened? I want to know all the details. Until next time, keep glowing, keep growing, and keep syncing with your soul.